Hey everyone, welcome to this tour. This is a home 1,700 plus square feet in St. Cloud, Florida, new construction. And this home, as you enter in, it has 2 rooms immediately to the right. Here goes the first room toward the front of the house and a view at the closet. Closet has 2 sliding doors. And then as you exit the room, you have a mini hallway with the bathroom we just passed. And then there's the second room, very similar to the front room, and the closet is very similar in space as well with the 2 sliding doors. The bathroom in this hallway is converted into a handicap restroom just because it's servicing the public in this model. Then to the left, you had a secondary mini hallway leading into this 3rd bedroom. The bedroom again is very similar in size to the other 2 that we just saw, and so is the closet. The closet is kind of the same setup with the 2 sliding doors. And now going back into that hallway, we're going to see that there is a laundry room, pretty good sized laundry room. And behind this, which you don't see, is the entrance to the garage. Now we're going into this main hallway, which is a pretty good, ample, wide hallway. And we go into this beautiful open area, open concept with kitchen overlooking dining, overlooking living. There's a nice size island that you see here. Nice space behind that island. We'll see that again later. Here's another view of that living space. Nice window there in the kitchen, giving plenty of light to the kitchen. Here's a nice view from the back of that island, entertaining your guests. The lanai shown here more than likely is an upgrade, but it looks very nice. Now going into the master bedroom, it's right off of the living room. It's a good amount of size. We'll see it from this other angle. There's actually a nice chair in the corner. And then we go into our master bath with standing shower, commode. Please go ahead if you like. Bedroom closet, pretty good size. And then we're going to take a step into this linen closet, which is in your master bath. Coming back out, we see that there's the coat closet. It was hidden away as you came in from the main hallway. And then here's one last look at this beautiful area. Here's the pantry. Before we go out, it's in the main hallway. If you appreciate content like this, do me a favor, hit like, subscribe, and the bell notification icon. And you can book a consultation with me in the description below. Thanks for stopping by, guys.